Hi, in this video we are going to explore the if-else statements in Python. If-else statements are used while decision making. Let's check this real-time example. This kid is confused. You know why? If he gets a pocket money which is greater than 50, then he'll buy a chocolate. Else, he'll buy a candy. It depends on the amount of pocket money that he will get. So let's see how we can implement this in Python. Before that, let's check the workflow. Once the program has started, it asks for the pocket money. So I'm giving that as 500. Now the variable pocket money holds the value 500. The next step is to check whether the pocket money is greater than 50 using the if statement. This is the if statement. It has two options depending on the results, either yes or no. If the pocket money is greater than 50, then this block will work. This is called the if block. That is, if statement is true, then it will print buy a chocolate. Now, if the result is no, then this block of code will work. This is called the else block, which will run and finally the program ends. One thing you need to notice here is that if the condition is true, then only if block works, then the program ends. There is no provision to enter into the else block. Vice versa, if the result of the condition is no, it will only run the else block. There is no provision to enter to the if block and the program ends. Let's go to the code. For that, I am opening a browser, then searching for Colab. Even if you don't have installed Python in your system, we have the option to run this Python code in web. For that, we have Google Colab. Then create a new notebook. First, we need to have a provision to enter the pocket money. So I'm using the input function and entering the message. Okay, I'm converting it into int. Otherwise, it will take as string. Okay, now saving into the variable called pocket money. Currently, pocket money has the user input value. Now, we are going to give the if condition. For that, we have a syntax, that is if, which is a keyword which is having a specific meaning in Python. Okay. Then I'm writing the condition. Our condition is pocket money, that is a variable that holds the current value of the pocket money, is greater than 50. Then what need to be happened? I need to print I'm going to buy a chocolate. For that, I'm using a colon. Then while clicking the enter, you can see the cursor is shifted to right a bit. That is where the if block lies. This is what is called indentation in Python, which is very important. So if the condition is true, that is pocket money is greater than 50, then we need to print buy chocolate. So now I need to write the else block. I'm clicking the enter. It will actually comes in the if block itself. In order to come out of the if block, I need to press the backspace. So you can see the indentation or the cursor that exactly comes under the if line. Then I am using the keyword else, then colon. Clicking the enter, which starts the else block. As you can see, the else block indentation has changed and print buy candy. Okay. So we can just run and check the code. Enter the pocket money amount. So I'm entering which is 500. Pocket money value is 500, which is greater than 50. So it will comes in the if block, then the program ends.